Are you interested in writing SEO-friendly content for your website and blog entries? Meet MarkCopy AI, an artificial intelligence tool that makes it easier for numerous businesses to scale their lead generation with SEO content. Let us see what this great software is all about and discover a great deal for you and your business. Its features and built-in characteristics make it an excellent assistant for new and developing companies. For instance, it makes it 3 times faster to write optimized copy for search engine optimization. Additionally, it has a highly rated customer-friendly interface, pricing, benefits, design, and the company's mission, all of which have received high ratings. MarkCopy AI enables you to achieve authentic, SEO-optimized writing goals while increasing productivity. It also has an extensive collection of tools that can do everything a business requires, from coming up with an idea to writing about it and marketing it. These tools can do all of these things. Because you can rely on an assistant powered by artificial intelligence, selecting this system is smart, as it will make it easier for your company to achieve its many objectives. Thanks to MarkCopy, you can now easily create SEO-optimized content that will rank highly. Utilizing the Rocket Mode workflow will allow you to generate a complete and well-optimized blog post in minutes. You only need to make a first draft that includes the keywords necessary for this process. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Start creating excellent SEO content for your blog or website using MarkCopy. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.